Follow these simple steps to add and customize the sections on your Shopify store in a few minutes. Log into your Shopify dashboard. Select the Online Store menu from the left side navigation. This page shows your currently installed theme, in our case it is Matly. On the current theme, click the green color Customize button, which takes you to the customizer. On the left side of the customizer, all the functionalities are present. At the top the header is present and at the bottom footer is available. The content between this header and footer are the sections. These collapsible menus on the left side are the sections. By default it is on the home page. You can navigate to the other page by selecting the homepage option at the top center. Each page comes up with various types of sections based on the theme. When you click on the section, its settings will open on the right sidebar. You can scroll through to find out all the functionalities. These settings will differ from section to section based on their importance. Every section contains multiple blocks that allow you to add various elements. Likewise, sections, all the blocks are customizable from settings present on the right sidebar. To add sections, scroll down the left sidebar and at the end of the section, you will have an option to add sections. Once you select the Add Section option, a list of sections is shown to be added. Choose your desired section, and I have added a testimonial section for example. Once it is added, you can find the section settings on the right sidebar. You can completely customize it. If you wish to remove the section, then the Remove Section button is present in the bottom right corner of each section setting. Then navigate to the other pages by clicking the navigation bar at the top center of the page. For example, I'm navigating to the collection list page. From the left sidebar, click Add a Section to add various sections. Pick from the list of available sections and add it. I'm adding a number counter for example, and it has a lot of setting present on the right sidebar. Also, add and customize each block on the section. Once you've finished your changes, click the green color Save button present in the top right corner. By using the center navigation, navigate to any page by easily searching it. You can see every change live when customizing it. It is a quick tutorial to add, edit, and customize the section in your Shopify store. The #1 single product Shopify theme featured in Envato Tuts Plus. With more than 3,300 downloads, the Boom Shopify theme is trusted by customers worldwide for its easy customization and conversion-focused demos. Without any coding, you can build amazing websites like these. Get all the 80+ demos with a single purchase now. Create a gorgeous and powerful e-commerce store today. The name is Boom.